Hey guys, today let's learn how to do the zoom effect on the Capcut application. So if you guys want to go ahead and do this zoom effect on the Capcut application, all we need to do this is to go ahead and of course launch the Capcut application, import your desired files, and I want you to go ahead and tap on this video file right here on your timeline, and then let's tap on video, and let's go on over to the scale option. We can actually go ahead and utilize the keyframe options over here and add a keyframe on a specific part of your video to zoom in and go back to normal scale. So in this case, I'm going to zoom in maybe this part in the middle of the video. So I'm going to add a keyframe right there on the scale option. And let's move a little back and put a keyframe right on the back of this video, or right on the back of this keyframe. And let's also move forward so that we could set it back to normal scale. Now what I want you to do is to go back and tap on this button over here where you do have a last keyframe option, and that's going to take you to the last keyframe right in the middle where you guys put it. And I want you to go ahead and zoom it in to your preferred zoom level. And then when you play the video all the way through, as you notice that the starting keyframe and the ending keyframe is going to be normal scale. So when you play this all the way through, it's going to zoom in and zoom out to normal scale. And that's how you guys could easily do the zoom effect on TikTok. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.